हेलो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, दिस इज़ लेक्चर 400. This is 400. In this lecture, I have taken a plot area 9 meter by 15 meter, and there is a complete home which we are going to estimate. So we have made a plan. This is a 9 meter and this is your 15 meter. This is a 9 meter wide road and this is the entrance, and we have got 1.5 meter wide veranda, and this is your 3.5 1 meter, that is 4.5 meter, and you can have the width of this thing, that is 3.5 meter and 1 meter, that is 4.5 meter by 4.5 meter approximately. So these are the given at a center line. These are 1.8 meter, 4.8 meter, 2.4 meter, 3, 4.5, 3, 3.30, 1.5 meter. So dimensions are given, and the footing, that is we are providing the column. This is a frame structure, so detail of the footing is also given. So we have to calculate the earthwork, PCC, the RCC part, brickwork, and the overall cost of this building. So this will take some more lecture. So we'll continue some basics. So we'll start for we have taken a column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can say 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we have created 18 columns as per our requirements. So the size of the column is 300, 300, that is 0.3 by 0.3, right? So here is the detail of the footing. The bottom is 0.10, that is LC, you can say, and again this vertical portion is 0.20, and this slant is 0.50, and this vertical is 0.15, and from this, that is GL to PL, is 0.6 meter. Then we have got the column, and in between there is 0.3 meter width of wall. So we have got the doors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. Two categories. One is 1 into 2.1 main door, and this is toilet door 0.7 by 2.10. And we have got the window, that is W1, W2 and V. So this is also W1, this is also W1, you can say. So this is 2 number. This W1 is not 1 but 2 numbers, you can have 2 number, 1 here, 1 here. So small windows are there. This is 1, this is 2, and 1 that is in kitchen is provided. So 3 windows are there, 1 by 1.5 meter, and the ventilator 0.6 by 0.6, which is provided in the toilets. So if you go through the plan, you can imagine how we have designed this home. So we can calculate the different item of work. If you go for the earthwork in column, so you can go to the section of the column. The number of column is 18, and we have taken this 0.9, that is footing width 0.9 by 0.9, and the height is, your height is 0.95. This is excavation. So this is 0.1, this is 0.3, 0.2, 0.3, 0.50, 0.80 plus 0.15, that is 0.95. So we have taken the column excavation 0.95. Now we can go for the PCC work 1 is to 3, which is 0.10, that is 0.18, 0.9 into 0.9, that is width, into 0.10 is depth. Now you go for the footing is slant height. So this will be footing number be 18, and this will be footing first 18, 0.9, 0.9 and 0.20. Let's see which we are getting. This footing first footing, slant footing. You can second slant is this, the footing first one. So we are getting this one, that is 0.20, this one. This is 0.90, 0.90, 0.90, 0.90, that is plan, and 0.20 is thickness, just like LC. So the footing first is also, only the height is different, 0.20. Now the slant height, you can say that is this height 0.5 by 6, that is 0.7 this one, 0.7 square plus 0.4 square top one plus 0.05 square into 4, that is a mean of 0.55, you can say 0.055 square. This is 0.11 by 2, that is 0.055, you can say, right? So this is your slant, this is 18, and third one is your straight portion is 0.15. So we are getting the width 0.4 by 0.4 and 0.15, this is given. Now GL to PL, we have got the vertical height, that is 0.6. So this is 18.3 by 0.3 the section, and 0.6 is your height. So up to PL we have calculated this. PL to slab you can say 18. This is 0.3, 0.3, 3.6 column हो गया. Plinth beam short. If you can go for the short beam means this one. This one is the center 9 meter. So 9.30 we have put it. So 6 number. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 1, 6. So we have put 6 number. So 6 number we can say 0.3, 0.3 and 9.30. Now the long wall 2, one is this and one is this. This is 2, 0.3, 0.3, 15.30. Now you go for the toilet wall 1, 2. This is 2 toilet wall. So we have taken 2, 0.3, 0.3, 4.50. So we have taken this toilet 2, 0.3, 0.3 and 3.30, because this is 3, so center we have taken 3.30. So the passage is 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. So we have taken 2. This is your 0.3, 0.3 into 4.5, because this is 4.50. Likewise, we have for the drawing room, we are providing this one. So drawing room we will taken one number 0.3, 0.3 into 3 meters. This is taken as 3 meter. This one is 3 meter. Similarly, we have to column plinth to slab 18 number 0.3, 0.3, 3.6 is height. This height from plinth to this is 1.0, 2.55. So this is your 3.60. In this way, you can calculate the brickwork also. We have calculated the brickwork 1 is to 6 cm. That is 6, 2, 2, 2, 1. So we calculated this section 15.3, 9.3, 15.3, 3.3, 4.8 and the 0.3, and height is 3.60. Now slab is 1, 15.3, 7, 9.3 and the thickness is 0.15. And we will calculate the beam also. The beam is same as this your plinth beam will be repeated at the slab level. So we'll continue in the further lecture for all things. So we are coming up to this. We'll put the values also in the column, the quantity also. In the next lecture we try to put the quantity here, and then we'll further continue. So thank you. Keep on with me, continue with me. Thank you for being with me. Thank you very much.